How's it going? I just wanted to make a quick video on kind of explaining why we need credit monitoring. I know it's a little bit of a pain to have to pay that fee, and I completely understand. If there was a good free service out there, we'd certainly use it. You can get your credit report annually, but it's just annually. We really need to be able to see a new credit report each and every month. Sites like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame are not accurate. There's very limited information. It's called a consumer disclosure. They don't give account numbers. They just give some partial information, so it's more of an overview. The credit report we pull online is a soft pull, so it won't impact the scores. The ones that loan officers pull is a soft pull. Is a hard pull, and it costs them money every single time they pull it. But if they were to pull it each month for you, it would bring down your scores. Whereas when it's a soft pull, it doesn't impact your scores, so that's a good thing right now. And so it's really just the best option that we have. There's specific data on the report that we need to see to be able to do our job to get derogatory accounts removed. It's also a good progress report. It allows us to see how much your scores are going up each month, what specific accounts are getting deleted, and so you'll know when it's time to be done. Otherwise, we wouldn't have a clue what was going on. And so we just need you to keep that while you're in the program with us. As soon as you're done, you're able to cancel that service, and you won't need it anymore. Hope that answers that question. If you have any others, let me know. Thanks so much.